Occasionally, we will need to evaluate an expression which is a power of a power, such as this expression right here. This is what we call raising powers to powers. We could write this as a repeated multiplication. 2 to the power 3 raised to the power 4 is 2 to the power 3 multiplied by itself 4 times. We could use our multiplication rule. Remember, when multiplying powers of the same bases, we add the exponents. This would leave us with 2 to the power 3 raised to the power 4, our expression that we started with, is equal to the expression of repeated multiplication. And when we add up all of the exponents, 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3, we get 2 to the power 12 as our final solution. Let's examine a rule that shows a little shortcut so we don't have to write out all of these repeated multiplications. The power of a power rule. When taking the power of a power, you multiply the exponent outside the brackets into each of the exponents inside the brackets. We'll use an example to demonstrate this. We have 2x to the power 2 raised to the power 3. When we evaluate this using our power of a power rule, we first have to raise the exponent 3 into the 2. That leaves us with 2 to the power 3. We then must raise the exponent 3 into x squared. That leaves us with x to the power 6. When we write this out, we evaluate the exponential form of 2 to the power 3 to leave it in the standard form. So we would let this equal 2 to the power 3 is 8x to the power 6. Let's take a look at some more examples. Here we have 3 multiplied by x to the power 3 raised to the power 3. This power outside does not apply to the number in front. It only applies to the number inside the brackets. So to evaluate this expression, we keep the number in front and multiply the power into the brackets, leaving us with 3x to the 9. Remember your order of operations. That will help you out with this. Our next expression, x squared y cubed raised to the power 5. We must raise this 5 into the x squared and then into the y cubed. When we do this, we'll be left with x to the power 10 as 5 times 2 is 10, and y to the power 15 as 5 times 3 is 15. Both powers in the brackets need to be raised to the new power. That's it for the example.